Hello everybody. I'm going to try to be quiet today because there's someone at my house who's cleaning and I don't want to be too loud. I hope that you guys can hear me. Today, we're going to be making some airport vehicles for your airport that you're building. So, hey, be quiet. It's just her. My dogs are in here with me too. Alright. So you got an airport fire truck. The little response unit. The airport tug, which we'll be making today. A pushback tug. One of the luggage carriers things. I don't know what this is exactly called. And a fuel truck. So today we're going to be making this for part 1. The amount of space required is a 3 by 43 block area, represented by this white concrete grid here. So the first block that we're going to need, as I'm not prepared, we're going to need smooth stones, excuse me. That's what we're going to need. Let me zoom in here a little bit. You can see what I'm doing. What else are we going to need? Smooth quartz stairs. What is that? I think that's bedrock. Bedrock. A ladder. That's a heavy weighted pressure plates. Glass block stained glass block. What is that? That's a black concrete. Okay, what else can we grab? Let's grab... Okay, that's all we're going to grab for now. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here, and any one of these two corners, you can pick this one or that one. What we got to do is this. Place a, smooth stone slab, half a row above. I'm going to do it like this. Now, I'll place block concrete here and here. We're basically copying the same thing it's the same thing on both sides. Then you're gonna place, 2 in here, 2 over here, there, and then connect this across and fill this in. Okay, we're gonna go to the front of the vehicle. Doesn't matter which side you want, it's because both are the same. We're gonna put that there, bedrock in between with the ladder. And it's I need smooth quartz block. Yeah, that might help. Okay, smooth quartz block. I'm gonna go all the way back to here. Something's not right. Yeah. Oh. Take that last row. You don't need it. Okay, across the back. Raise that one up. Block concrete in between. And then 2. Yes, that is 2. So do that. Wrap it around. Actually, fill that in. There. No, that goes there. Do that. What else can we do over here? Okay, let's grab some new materials. Right. Oh, I have a chest here. This probably has some of the stuff that we need. Need white carpet, flower pot, buttons. Actually, I want to swap this out for a glow item frame, so it might look better. And where is that block at? It's iron. Block of iron. So that's need carpets. Then you want to grab white carpet. I already have white carpet. Oh, another block you want to grab is the tripwire hook. I'll show you what to do with that. Okay, tripwire hook. Put it here and here, as they look like door handles. And then we'll put the glow in a frame here, here, with a block of iron in them, and they just look like headlights. I know another block I need to grab. What is that? I grabbed the heavy-weighted pressure plate. Or did I get rid of it? I think I got rid of it. I did. Oops. Heavy-weighted pressure plate there. But it might look better with carpet. I want to see what it looks like with the carpet. Okay, I should like the carpet more. Yeah, they'll do that. And then put the flower pot, and that's like your little warning lights. Stone buttons here, 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 and here. I run into. Oops. Alright then. Now, take the darker fence gates. I'm gonna go here. And now we're gonna build all these. We need black concrete, gray concrete. Say light gray. Piston slab and buttons. And then that's it. As well as one of these. And there you go. So one thing I forgot to do on this world. Well, take what I just built here, take this, you're going to copy it all the way down to the end of here. And that's basically how you build it. Then we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then across like this. It's not like Bob Ross when he paints. You just want to sprinkle a slight blue on here, just like that. It's like Bob Ross. I'm trying to be very quiet. There's that, across like that. There's that. Up, across like this, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Connect that together, and then put that's stuck with something there and there. What do I have right here? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So basically what you want to do is take these 3 here, and you just want to keep building them all the way down to here. And then once you have that done, that's it. Very happy with how this turned out. Alright. We'll see you guys again soon.